Hi. My boyfriend. Nice.
It's all matching now.
Tingnan mo, oh.
Necklace, earrings.
Oo. Ayan, ti. Yan na naman, ti. Kasi pag matapos
It's
ko,
Arabi Sheikh now.
How much is that?
Di pag matapos.
Hindi doon sa kabila, eh.
Oh my gosh, Ate Eric.
$272 coming this one selling price, but you Suki, you know, it's your special discount price $226.
226? Wow.
Magkano, ti?
226.
200.
226.
It's heavy, 21 carat.
How many grams?
21 carat, how many grams you see? 4.53 gram. It's more heavy.
Grabe.
Otherwise, just wait. What about this one?
200.
Single piece.
No, I don't like single.
Just try, no problem.
No, I don't like single, no?
I-try mo lang.
This one 3 piece. 1, 2, 3. Better 3. Nice.
No, I don't like single. No.
Nice this one.
Di, mas mahal pa yan sa kwintas mo pala, ti. Magkano yung kwintas mo?
98. Mahal dito. Okay. No.
Price more.
Di,
Take this one.
ba't
This also
mahal?
all.
Ba't mahal yan?
Ewan ko nga
Just
ba?
look like 3 piece. What about this one?
That one is nice.
This one how much coming?
It looks like heavy.
One more heavy.
Yeah. Because there is stone, there is balls.
29 per gram.
This one?
Yeah.
Kursi Jabar.
Oh my God.
It's Kursi Jabar.
Kursi?
Kursi Jabar name.
No, I like only this one. No, not that one. Just, oh my God.
You know, if you wearing that one in Philippines, maybe only few seconds, you're dead.
This one. It's more big gold coming. This one.
Yeah, you're
I
dead.
like that one, that style. What's the name? Kursi?
Kursi Jabar.
Kursi Java. What's that award?
This one is
Iba yung
pag ano ko 29, nung pag ano ko naging 33 na siya. And,
yeah, but you need to show your everything that is safe with you. Yeah, because it's very hard now. You going home, then if you have lots of data. I don't know what happened in Philippines. Before? No, I put in the cargo. See, 2 times kaya ako nagpadala ng... Ganda ng ano.
mahaba yung ganun.
Oo.
Arabic rin ang Bahraini style din yun.
Yan, bracelet na lang talaga kulang, ti.
Mahal nga, 200.
200.
Malaki pa sa sahod ko eh. It's more expensive than my salary.
That's why I told you this way. You take leeway, no problem.
They wait 4 months. No more, oh my God.
I'll give you 3 months.